I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is MetForm. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select Airtable. Give here Personal Access Token. So please visit Personal Access Token. Create a token. Give here the token name. Add scopes. Add a base. Create token. Copy the token and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select Base. Select Table. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next, finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to the Airtable page. And you can see the data came successfully in the Airtable. Thanks for watching.